everyone, welcome to Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Golf Nancy. So today we're doing some appetizers for a New Year's Eve party. So I saw this like on Pinterest or something, and so what they did, they cooked some bacon and they have water chestnuts. And what they did was take the bacon. We're going to cover that like this. This time I'm just going to measure it to where so the bacon will cover the water chestnut. Let's see if we can get a smaller one. Yeah, that was a nice size. Let's put that like this. And we cover it, the water chestnut with the bacon. And then we're going to pop it in the oven for a few minutes. I'm going to line my cookie sheet with parchment paper. Easy cleanup. Easy cleanup. And you just put them on your cookie sheet like this. And just fold it over. Make sure it goes all the way through. Like that. Alrighty. So I made these earlier, but I didn't put them in the oven. It was a test one, and Anastasia really liked them. So I told her we were making these for New Year's Eve party. Bring that to the end. Take your toothpick, put it through. I was like, how much fun to sit here and do this. You know, get the kids involved, make some fun things. And try something new. And if you like it, write it down. Okay, so that's just going to go into the oven, let's say about 5 minutes. Because the oven's getting ready to beep. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, see y'all in 5 minutes. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. We're going to get an oven mitt. I'm going to take these out. Now you can leave them in there longer if you want more toasted. Whoops. So, but there you go. And nice and warm, and then let them cool and have a great little new hors d'oeuvre appetizers for New Year's. Looks amazing. And there we go. They are really good. These are, well, let's see how well we can taste test this. Wow, it's so hot. Mm-hmm. Mm. That is so good. And it has that crunch to it because we put it in the oven, the juices, you know, you don't dry it out too much, but you don't have it too watery. So there you go. I like them. And Anastasia loves them. So thank y'all for watching. God bless. Stay safe. We love y'all. And we'll see you next time on Cooking Dairy Free and Alpha Go with Nancy. Happy New Year.
We wish